Start with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, beneficial, honorable, principal, respectful teacher. Good morning and good evening and Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I am here to deliver my presentation. I am Varsha Glot from class 7, and today is my presentation day, and my presentation topic is the art of public speaking. I share some tips of the art of public speaking. Um, First of all, stage fear. Many of us fear. Many of us fear, and our heart. Many of us are very nervous when speaking is a front of the many peoples, and our heart is racing, and our voice troubling, and we feel like everyone is judging us but stage fear is a normal, and we can overcome it with practice and the right mindset. First prepare and practice confidence. Confidence is a prepare confidence comes confidence comes in confidence comes from practice. Write down your own man points, then and practice them front of the mirror, and family members, your classmates, friends, etc. And front of a mirror and mobile camera. The more familiar you for your with your content, the nervous you feel. Start speak in the front few people. Start speaking front of a few people like families or classmates. Then before presenting on a bigger audience. Gradually bodily for confidence, and confidence step by step, and it's easier than jumping the large confidence about the right way. Third number point, focus on your audience, know yourself. No, not yourself. Instead, the worrying about presenting your mind, how you looking sounds. Think about how your confidence make your messages can help and inspire others. Difficulties shifting your attention to the audience, and makes you less confusion. Finally, relax and control your body language, and take deep and breathe. Breathe before you start speaking to claim. You nervous, stand tall, smile, and make you control with your audience. Positive body language, basic of confidence, and engage your listeners. In conclusion, stage fear is something everyone overcome with practice, small steps, and the right way, and right focus. You can become a confident speaker. Remember every great speaker was once a beginner. If you have question, please ask me. Thank you.